I'm that nigga from Chabas TV.
It was really nice meeting you. You should really call me sometime.
I'm definitely go call him, man.
Okay. Don't forget.
Alright, sexy too, you know. Yeah. Which part you don't go again?
I don't want to go nowhere.
Want you? Somebody in the store piss you off?
No, and you piss me off because you take me for idiot. You take me for one papi show. That's what you take me for.
What? I never watch you play this morning or something? You just vex up yourselves and me can't
You think I never see the girl? You think I never see? Open your eye. Me look blind? Are you blind?
No, me not blind. But let me tell you, I'm a cousin people them and me just like take her number.
You're too freaking
Well, I'm a cousin them.
Every second I your cousin, sister, brother. Me no blood clot business. You take me for idiot?
So no, me can't talk to family member.
No! Me no want you talk to nobody. Here who you have to talk to? Me. And me you have to talk to. Me not delete every bitch number in your phone. No, you gonna add more? You gonna add more? After me delete the number them.
Me I tell you I'm a cousin.
From where?
You just want to argue.
Me no want to argue with you. So you take her number? Or what you did do?
No, me never forget the number because she say her phone is dead. So she only remember one number.
Oh.
Me don't know what.
Oh. So a liar tell now.
No, I'm a cousin.
So now you're a friggin' liar.
No, I'm a cousin, sister, family them.
From what day you move spooky like say you're a ghost, you know? You're a ghost? Hey. Alright, no, you can't hear me. Alright. Let me see the phone then. Cause my phone dead right now. I need to call my mother. I'm ready to go home. Yeah, my phone dead. Look, it dead.
We are go back to your house, so we got your house charge it. You don't need
so
to
now
call
I can't buy the phone. Cause you take the ugly bitch number, I can't see the phone.
Me never tell nobody number. Her phone did dead as me say her one number she could have give me outside cause the phone dead.
Every friggin' time you love talk to them ugly waist girl. Yo, and you pick some ugly girl, you know?
I'm a cousin.
You must be blind for true. You not see what you have. You not see. You're blind, don't it? Yo, remember your phone. Babes, done the argument. Remember your phone. Babe, no, I'm not. I believe you. Just let me borrow the phone. You just need to make a call. Damn idiot.
Them no want see me able, so me know say I can't them. Me I say trend pon them. Them a start and me gone left them. Me girl they never real to me. Me try give the world, girl they never real to me.
She's always by my side. All of the case to try. She a sacrifice cause she not deny.